April 9th, 2022. So there I gotta go to a daycare, and I guess they got a leak under a sink. And there's a couple of sinks there, and there's like a piece of plywood that covers it. The way they did these designs, it's in like a daycare for small kids. I gotta take that panel off and find out why it's leaking when it's draining. A lot of these buildings are like 25 years old, so a lot of the plumbing's getting kind of crusty. I'm gonna go over there today and see if I can find out, take that panel apart and find out what's leaking, and hopefully I have in the truck what I need to fix it. If not, I can go get it done. Get it done today. That's my game plan. So we'll see what happens. Try to bring you along. Never a dull moment. You can see, I mean, it's really low. That's probably like 20 inches off the ground. It's really low. But I gotta take that lower panel off. You could smell it's all moldy and shit. I got some cardboard. I got my stuff here, and we're gonna take it apart and see what's leaking. You can find out what's going on with it. Gotta drop that panel down. Smell it's moldy. Not good. It's been leaking for a while, I think. That one should hold it. I could take the rest of these out. Fruit flies. Oh, that's off already. It's already off. Ew. Something's going on here. I got a lot of bugs. Woo! Looks like it might just be the gasket that's gone. I bet you there's a nipple in here that's rotted. Let's take this off. Let me get my container. A little nasty, huh? Get my container. Looks like it might be this right here, this joint. So I might be able to just, let me get my container, we'll take this off. We'll put my container under here. We'll run it a little bit and see what happens. Oh yeah, it's leaking right out the top there. Yeah. So I should be able to take this nut off, loosen this. There's a tail piece in there that's probably compromised, or the gasket's an issue. Ooh, yeah, see, that's loose as a goose there, see it? That's not good. It might be an easy fix. Been leaking down here for a while. I could smell it. Gonna try to do something about all this. I'll call the maintenance guy. Maybe he's got some kind of spray to put in there or something. Yeah, see, then it broke off. There's a scratch straight up in there that broke off. I could put another one in there. That's an easy fix. Man of my calibration. A man of my calibration. Holy shit, been leaking for a while. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. I can get a new gasket. I just got to get that other thread piece out of there. I like to, I'll probably wipe all this down in here because it's all kind of nasty. Let's see if I can get that scratch piece out of there. Yeah, see? It's just a little scratch tail piece. Why would you wear gloves? I could never figure it out. No, I could never figure it out. Oh, and you gotta get another tail piece and a washer for it, and I'll be good. That's an easy fix. Alright, this is a double-ended tail piece. It's the 17 gauge. They make 22 and 17. So, this is, I'll just cut a section off it, what I need. And we'll, don't need long, something like that. That's what was in there before. Need the bigger cutter. That's 1.25 inches. And also I got a new gasket, and I got some powder stuff I can put under here for the smell. It's kind of nasty. I'll show you. This is 1.25 inches tubular. It's all gonna dry out once it stops leaking. It'll be okay. I got an 1.5 by 1.25 gasket. Short tail piece. We'll put it back together. Give it a go. How you doing? I cleaned the other scratch thread out. You seen it fall out of there. That's a scratch thread, they call it. You can see it's not. It's a real. It's a thin. Something you could thread with a die. I'll just put a little bit of Smurf jism on there. Lubricant. This is not a pop-up type of saint. This is a patented overflow, is what they call it. This is a commercial building. It's called a patented overflow. PO, there's no overflow on this thing. Like, you know, the ones in the house have like an overflow, and it's got the lever in the back. This has got just like a grit on the top. She's pretty tight. I just want to make sure I don't have no leaks, you know. There you go. I don't have to worry about the putty up on top on this one because there's no way that it could hold water anyway. We'll put a little bit of jism on there. This is an 1.5 inch nut. This is an 1.5 by 1.25 washer. See it? It'll work. It will work, but they do make the proper size nut for that. I do have a rag here I brought in. Wouldn't hurt to put a little bit of pipe dope on this thing. Give it a little bit of lubrication on the way in. Nothing like a little lube. Sometimes you need the lube. Hope things along here. Sometimes you need the lube, mama. Like I said, this is the thicker 17 gauge tailpiece, so this should last a while. I mean, you get 25 years out of it. What more do you want? This is going to be an easy fix for me. Man, I'm on calibration. Thinking. Man, I'm on calibration. Might have to go with a different nut on there, I'm not sure. Alright, let's see if it leaks. She's going down, and we'll see it leaking. The drain's not backing up either, so. See what's going to pop up. It's just like a grid screen. Got this stuff. We'll put some of that powder. It's peeling the flipping wood off. Look at that shit. From it just being wet, you know. They'll be alright, they'll dry out. We'll put some of this powder. They'll give it a nice little smell under there. See, the thing's been leaking for a while. All this shit's all buckled. I can smell it under here. That's why that stuff's going to be kind of refreshing. I use that sometimes if there's like an oil spill that's stinking. You use that. I'll get rid of some of the smell. No more leaks. I don't think there might be even in there. I don't think these even went in. They gotta go on an angle like this to hit the wood. If not, it's not gonna hit the wood. Like this one was. Alright, it's all fixed. I'll leave a note out front. This is dirty. Right there. See the flipping little bugs and shit. I'll lift that powder. Don't smell as bad in here now.